Hello, viewers. Good afternoon. Welcome to UTM TV News. So today, in 24th May 2024, the main gate in the east side of Universitas Tronjo Madura is getting repaired. This project has been starting since yesterday. So the government of university published the circular for all of the cabinet, lecturers, and students of college or even security to not pass this main gate. The main cause of why this gate and main path is getting repaired are because when rain comes, it suddenly will be flood or puddle around the path and it's very disturbing for all of people, whether students or lecturers. In addition, DPM and BEM was push the government of university to invest the budget from administrations to use it as well as possible, following by posts or reels on Instagram and other social media about the criticism, and it's getting vital. Actually, there are many solutions that government has provided before, like repairing the path and the middle of the land. In response, the vital criticism, the university finally took immediate actions to begin the repair. Construction workers have been seen working around the area since early morning. The repair is estimated to be complete within a week, depending on the weather conditions. Meanwhile, all academic and non-academic activities are advised to adjust their access routes by using the alternative entrance located on the west in the middle of side of campus. Thank you so much. I am Fatulyanto. Welcome. Don't forget to subscribe in with MTV News. See ya.